Yes, we have dark mode in Excel. Finally, we have dark mode option in Excel. So you can switch from light mode to dark mode. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate this option and how this option is pretty smart to use. So let's get started. All right, so let me quickly show you how you can convert your Excel application from light mode to dark mode. So when I go to View tab, I have this button here that is called Switch Modes. And when I click on this button, it will simply convert my entire worksheet, even the data part, from light mode to dark mode. Now, there is a chance that you might not have this button on your View tab. So let me go to Excel options and show you how you can activate this button here. So when you go to File tab and then you go to Options, in the General tab, when you scroll down, you have this section called Personalize Your Copy of Microsoft Office. And in this section, you need to click on Office Theme. And from here, you need to make sure that you have already selected the black theme from here. You can also use system setting, but it will only work if you already have dark theme in your window. So we go with black and then click OK. But let me show you, if I select a different theme, let's say colorful, and then I click OK, you can see the switch modes button is gone. So I'll go back, I'll go to options, and from here I'm gonna select black and then click OK, and you can see I have got this button back. And now while working in Excel, I can use this button to switch between dark to light or light to dark. And when I click it back, it will activate the light mode and again the black mode. Now what happens is when you move from light mode to dark mode, there are few things, few settings, few formattings that Excel change for you automatically. The first is obviously the color of the cell, but the second is the font color itself. So because when you into the dark mode, you do need a light font color so that you can have a better view, so that you can read everything clearly. Let me show you how Excel is smart enough to change color shades for you when you switch from light mode to dark mode. So in the amount column, I'm going to apply conditioner formatting color scales. So let me go to conditioner formatting and then color scales. And now you can see I have a different theme of color, shade of colors here. But when I switch back to the light one, the light mode, it will convert those colors automatically. But when I go back to black, you can see not only the shade of the colors change a little bit, but it also changed the font color. So this way Excel is pretty smart to change a few things for you when you switch from one mode to another. And if somehow you are not using Excel 365, I mean Microsoft Office 365, you can do a workaround that is by changing the background of your worksheet. So let me show you how you can do that. First of all, you need to go to page layout and then you need to click on background. From here, you need to browse and then you need to select a image that you're going to use as a background. So here I have this image already, and if you don't have, you can download this image by the link that I have added in the description, or you can go to PowerPoint and color a slide over there as a black color or little light black color, and then save that slide as a image, PNG image, and then you can upload that image as a background for your Excel worksheet. So here I'm going to click on this image and I'm going to insert it, and this will change the entire background of my worksheet. Now the next thing is to change the font color. So for this, I'm going to go to my page layout and click on colors, and from there customize colors, and here I just need to change the font color from here, and I'm going to select a white color and I'm going to save it. Now when you enter new value, you can see the font color is white. It's a small workaround that you can do if you don't have the latest version, but it still lacks because the new version, when you use Excel 365, Excel not only change your mode from light to dark, it also changed the entire theme of the workbook. And mind you, when you do this workaround, it will only apply to your current worksheet. So if you insert a new workbook or a new worksheet, it will still comes in light mode. I hope you found this quick tip useful, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with a lot of cool Excel tips and tricks in coming weeks, and I'll see you in the next video.